In this video, I want to show you how to download ESRI 10-meter resolution land use land cover for year 2024, even from 2017 to 2024. So to do that, open any of your browser and search for ESRI 10-meter land cover. Then press enter. When it opens, scroll down and come to this Sentinel-2 land cover explorer. Click on it. This will open the ESRI Sentinel-2 land cover page. Then when it opens, it loads the page just like this. You can see the land cover here, and here you can see the classes. This one represents water, and this refers to areas which is covered predominantly by water throughout the year, and this is trees, and it refers to any significant clustering of tall trees and flooded vegetation. So you can see the rangeland also. Then if you want to download, you can download for any specific location, and it is 10-meter land cover. For this one is 2024. So to download, you click on the link here, and you can see that it's from 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, and 2024. So you can download for any of the year. Just click on this download button and it will open this page for you. So in just a moment, it will load the page. Once it is loaded, you can pan it to any specific location of your choice. And another beautiful thing is that it is already gridded, such that you can download for a particular grid. So for example, let's say I want to download for this grid which falls on Nigeria. So if I want to download this grid, it's just a matter of zooming in to be very sure that it covers my study area. So, and here you can see that it covers from 2017 to 2024. But take note that to download for each year for the whole world, it is about 60 gig. Here is it, you can see 60 gig to download for the whole world. But if you want to download for specific grid, for example, I want to download for this specific grid. So what I need to do is to click. Once I click on it, it will bring various years I can download. But I want to download for 2024, I'll just click on it. So the download will start automatically. You can see it. I can also see the size here. So in few minutes, depending on the strength of your network, to be downloaded. Once it is downloaded, let's go to the folder where I have the downloaded file, and here is it. So I can now open it in ArcGIS software. So let me open it in ArcGIS. So to open it in ArcGIS, click on add data. Now let's navigate to where I have it, and this is it. Select it and click on add. So you can see this is the grid I downloaded. You can see it. If I expand it, you can see the values. You can see the values. However, I want to prepare land use land cover for my study area. So I'll just clip out my study area. So to do that, let me bring the shapefile of my study area. Let me navigate to my working folder. I think it's on my desktop in tutorial folder. Yes, this is Bauchi. I want to clip Bauchi State. Yes, this is my study area. I can zoom to layer, and you can see my study area. I can also change the symbology to hollow and increase the outline width and click on OK. Yes, I want to extract my study area using the shapefile of my study area. And to do that, come to Arc Toolbox. Then come to Spatial Analyst Tool. Come to Extraction. Then come to Extract by Mask. Click on it. This will open Extract by Mask page. Then input raster, that will be the land use land cover, and the input feature, that will be my study area. So I'll select my study area. Then the output raster, let me navigate to my working folder. Let me just save it in my tutorial folder on desktop. So let me name it Bauchi land use land cover. Then I'll put .tif as an extension. Click on save. Then click OK. So this will take few seconds to clip my study area, and the time taken depends on your study area extent. Yes, it has clipped my study area for me. So I can uncheck this and you can see my study area. Let me close this page. Then you can see the values as figures. So we need to put the class it belongs to. Let me show you the class. So the class definition of this land use land cover: 1 represent water, 2 represent trees, and 4 represent flooded vegetation. Then 5 represent crops or farmland, 7 stand for build up, 8 bare land, 9 snow, 10 clouds, and 11 rangeland. So take note of those definitions of each class. So what to do is to define the classes each of these value represents. So to do that, right click and open the attribute table. In the attribute table, I want to give the class for each of these values. So to do that, I need to add field. Click on table options and click on add field. So let me call the name class for example. Then the type, choose text, and the length, let's make it 40 for example, and click on OK. Then for us to input the class, we need to put it in editing mode. Just right click and come to edit features. Click on edit, start editing, then click on continue. Now we can input the values. For example 1, as I told you, it represents water. So you can just copy this water, copy it, go back to that attribute table. Then you can right click and paste it, or you can test it directly. You can even call it water bodies depending on you. So let's say water bodies. Then the second one, second value 2 represents trees. So you can just copy it and then go back and paste it there. Then 4 is represent. That's how you are going to do for all of the values. So enter all the values, define their class just like this, then close this attribute table. Then you can come to editor and save the edit. Then you can stop editing. Now we need to go to symbology, right click it. Let me uncheck this. Right click and click on properties. So come to symbology. Then you want to use unique value, and the value field you want to use is the class we just defined. Click on class and you can see the name of each of the class we have inputted. You can see it here. Then we can equally reverse the sorting. Then you can change the color of each of the class. Let's change this to blue. And the trees, click here and change it to any color of your choice. So change the color of each of these classes according to you. Then click on OK. Yes, you can see it here, and you can see the classes here. Now we can take it to layout. In layout, you can add all our map elements, your legend, scale, and the other map element. But let me just use a template here. Click here. Let me use portrait. Select it and click finish. You can see, just to make the work faster. So you can equally add the map title. So let me add map title. Yes, I can draw it here and you can see it. So this is my map. So I can now export it as the final map. Come to file, click on export map. Then let me just name it Bauchi land use land cover map. then click on save. So it's done. Let's now go there and check. This is it, Bauchi land use land cover map. Let's open it to see. Let me maximize it. Yes, you can see the land use land cover map of Bauchi state for year 2024. So this is how to download land use land cover map and prepare it as deemed fit. Thank you for watching.